First stop versus disable Android apps. What is the differences? So basically, the differences app lies mainly in their purpose and effect on the app's behavior. Force stop immediately halts an app that is currently running, freeing up RAM and temporarily stopping background activity, but the app remains installed and can restart automatically or when you open it again. It is typically used to troubleshoot issues like app crashes, freezing, or excessive battery or data uses. On the other hand, disable completely turns off an app until it is manually re-enabled, stopping all background process and removing it from the app drawer. Disabling is usually applied to pre-install system apps or bloatware that the user does not want to run at all, while force stop provides a temporary solution for app-related problems. Disable acts as permanent measures to prevent unwanted apps for consuming system resources. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.